Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Ma'am SYBEL Explains. This video is all about multiplication of decimals by 1/10th, 100th, and 1,000th. Let us have the first example. Multiply 54 and 89 hundredths by 1/10th. The answer is blank. We can solve this problem actually by long cut. But then, this video will teach you how to solve this the easiest way, shortest way. And then, when we multiply a decimal by 1/10th, we move the decimal point one place to the left to find the product. Okay, we'll try that. Let's copy first the given. 54 and 89 hundredths times 1/10th. So it says there, when we multiply a decimal with 1/10th, all we need to do is to move one place to the left. And that is from here going to the left. So it means our decimal point will be there. Our answer for this problem will be 5.489. So our answer will be 5 and 489 thousandths. So that's so easy. Okay, let's apply what we have learned in multiplying decimals with 1/10th. All we need to do is to move one place to the left. Okay, one decimal place to the left. Let's take note of that. This is going to be easy for sure. You can answer all these four numbers in less than a minute. So for number one, well, what will be the answer? That will become, in here we move decimal point to the left. So the answer will be 0.49. We're done with number one. Yay! Next, number two. We'll just move decimal point to the left one place. Okay, that's going to be here, from here, going here. Yes. And then we're going to write the answer. That's 7.7129. So the answer in number two is 7 and 7,129 10,000ths, and that's so fast. Let's have number three. We'll just move decimal point to the left one place. Okay, that's going to be here. Then we're done. All we need to do is to copy. It's 8.86. So the answer will be 8 and 86 hundredths. I hope all math tricks are like this fast. Okay, in here, are we going to move the decimal point in here or in here? Okay, so I think we will be moving decimal place on 297 and 83 hundredths. So we will move one decimal place only. All we need to do is to copy 29 decimal point 783. That's 29 and 783 thousandths. Wow. Did we really reach 1 minute? Next problem. Multiply 54 and 89 hundredths by 1/100th. The answer is blank. When we multiply a decimal by 1/100th, we move the decimal point two places to the left to find the product. So somehow it's just like multiplying with 1/10th, but this time multiplying decimal by 100th, we will just move two decimal places to the left, and that's going to be fun. Okay, let's have this one. We'll copy first 54 and 89 hundredths times 1/100th. So we will just move two decimal places to the left, and that's going to be 1 and 2. So our answer will be 0.5489. Our answer will be 5,489 10,000ths. Let us have some exercises. For number one, we will just move two places to the left. That's going to be 1, 2. Our answer will be 7.846. That's 7 and 846 thousandths. Next, number 2. We'll just move 2 decimal place to the left. That's 1, 2. So our decimal point will be here, 4.971. So our final answer is 4 and 971 thousandths. It's really nice to solve mathematics calculations like this. Okay, next, number 3. We will move 2 decimal places to the left. That's going to be 1, 2. So we'll just put 0 there. And then we'll put 0 before the 0. Okay? So that will give us 0.08051. So the answer is 8,051 hundred thousandths. And the last one, just move 2 decimal places to the left. That's going to be 1, 2. We'll just put another 0 here and then the decimal point before that 0. So the answer will be 0.00000. We have 4 zeros before 9, so, and then 9. So it's going to be 900 thousandths. That's the final answer. I know it's less than 1 minute. What if the question is multiply 54 and 89 hundredths by 1000? The answer is blank. So what do we expect? It means we will just move the decimal point 3 places to the left. Okay, let's do that. Let us copy the number first. That's 54 decimal point 89, or 54 and 89 hundredths times 1000. We will just move 3 decimal places to the left, and we will just put 0 in here and decimal point in here, and of course it is expected that we have to put 0 before the decimal point. So our answer will be 0.05489, and that is 5,489 hundred thousandths. Let us have these exercises. So it means we will just move 3 decimal places to the left to get the final answer. So number 1, just move 3 decimal places. So our answer will be 0.7891. That's going to be 7,891 ten thousandths. Next, just move 3 decimal places to the left. That's 1, 2, 3. And we can just put zeros on the empty spaces. So the answer will be, we can write 0 first and decimal point, 2 zeros and 87. Our answer for number 2 is 87 ten thousandths. Next, how do we solve for number 3? It is expected if it is whole number, the decimal point at the back of 5. So we'll just move 3 decimal places. That's 1, 2, 3. Okay, our answer will be 0.685. That is 685 thousandths. For the last number, we will just move 3 decimal places to the left. It's going to be 1, 2, and 3. So the answer will be 9 decimal point 9934. Our answer is 9 and 9,934 ten thousandths. And we're done. Don't forget to hit the like button if you think this is helpful. Till next time!